Hello, and welcome back to Jillies Nails. Today we are going to do some doggy nail art to match my kitty nail art from yesterday. So there were two pet-related holidays left for February, National Cat Health Month, and I think it was National Dog Education Training Month. So educate your dogs, train them up. This plate again, I think was a Nicole Diary plate. I'm not 100% sure. Cannot remember where I got it from. It's not marked with her name. I don't remember. I'm sure it came off of Amazon. But it's puppies. There's little doggies everywhere. And I have had a plan for this in my head for a couple years. Um, and it's all because of the accent that will be on my pinky that you'll see shortly. So I'm just kind of going through and picking out various little puppy faces that I like. I picked up a pug with his head kind of cocked to the side. Ooh, here's a secret thing about me. I used to be a dog groomer way back in the day. Way back in the day. And I stopped doing it because, quite frankly, I got tired of picking dog hair out of places where you're not supposed to have dog hair, like in between your fingers and your nipples. Unpleasant, not fun. So I moved on. Plus, the people I worked for were pretty crappy. And believe it or not, cleaning dogs all day, not that glamorous. Not that glamorous. Alright, I'm determined I'm going to get this husky image because the color polish I'm going to use will look like husky eyes. I won't have to paint the eyes in, it'll be really cute. But he was being cantankerous, so I had to work a little bit to get him on here. Oh, this music, by the way, is called Dog Park. I thought it was really cute. The cat one I found was a kitten-themed music, and this is a dog-themed music, so I hope you guys like it, because I can totally see, like, a dog with his nose down, tail wagging in the air, sniffing around the dog park. I thought it was really cute. Now I'm going through on him. He had a little bow tie, and just coloring in his bow tie. The husky, we can color him completely white, except his eyes. I'm leaving his eyes open and not putting anything on them, so that it will look like, doesn't that look like a rib cage and a pelvis? It's weird. Who knew huskies look like a rib cage and pelvis? Anyway, this way his eyes will show through his blue. Now this little terrier dog, he's cute. What are those called? My brain's, oh, bull terrier. Yeah, he's like a bull terrier. They're usually black and white. You know, you can get them in fawn and a couple other shades, but black and white, cute, simple, matched everything else I was doing. On the pug, I just went through and dotted his eyes. They look so weird when you flip it over. But I have this kind of a camel color from Maniology. It was an old bundle monster polish that I think I got in the 20 for 20 sale when they had it. Not one I would have picked out, but I was glad I had it. Perfect color for fawn dogs. And we're just going to go through and press these decals straight up, straight down. This little pug is so cute. I love him. He makes me happy. The husky's my favorite though. You know what? I like them all. I thought this was adorable. Okay, and I talked about this a little bit on the cat video. I went in because everybody keeps saying, oh, you can use gel polish on top. You just have to let it dry. I let these nails dry for like 2.5 hours before I tried to top coat them with gel, and they crinkled still. So I don't know if my gel products have gone bad or what's going on there. I may go try and buy another gel top coat and try it again, because I could just have an expired product. But what I'm doing is I'm using these studs. They are silver studs from Board & Pretty. I think I got them on sale for 50 cents. You guys, you just have to watch sales. I've got a couple really good pictures. There's 3 pictures coming up here so you can see everything up close. But that is a gel top coat. I did, set it, and there you go. But this whole spike stud collar concept, I've had that for about 2 years. So I was so excited I got to do that today. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Bye-bye.